Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to start our next exercise in coordinate geometry. That is second exercise, first question. So what they are asking us, find the coordinate which will going to divide the line joining of two other coordinates, that is -1 and 7 and 4 comma -3. So if you join one line from that two coordinates, one point is divided this line into 2:3 ratio. 2:3 ratio, that is here upper side 2 parts and lower side 3 parts, whatever it is, but it is divided the joining line of other two coordinates in the manner of 2:3. So here ratio we will take it as 2:3, that is m1 is to m2, m1 is to m2, that is 2:3. So this is the ratio, m1 is to m2. And what is the coordinate, that is x comma y? What is the formula of x and y? So let's going to take, this is some p of x, p of x comma y. That point, p means point, not more than that. That is, the formula is here. Carefully observe. Here I will explain all the required formulas in order to solve the remaining questions also. So here first consider m1. First consider m1. Here 1 is there, m1 is there. For that x we are writing, first coordinate x, and y we will going to write. For x, right, here we need to write all the terms of x. So m1 came, for that we need to write x2, 1 means 2, plus m2, 2 came, right, for that x1 we have to write. So 1 and 2, 2 and 1 opposite. So by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2, comma. So this is x coordinate, that is x coordinate value. m1 y2 same as it is m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. So this is the coordinate formula in coordinate geometry. So this is the formula. Let's going to substitute. What is x1 and x2? So here let's take x1 comma y1, x1 y1 will be equal to -7 -1 comma 7, and x2 y2 4 comma -3, 4 comma -3. So these are the points. Let's going to substitute here. Let's going to take p of x. So p of x you can write in the manner of x coordinate, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So what is m1? m1 is 2 into, m1 is 2 into, x2 is what here? 4, plus m2 is what? 3 into, x1 is what? Here -1 whole divided by, so here m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. So what value we will get? 2 4s are 8, plus into minus 3, 3 1s are 3 by 5, 8 minus 3. So here, so 8 minus 3 will become 5 by 5. What answer? 1. So 5 1s are, then 5 1s are. So p of x will be equal to what? 1. Then what is the p of y? That is, what is the coordinate? So p of y will be equal to, what is the formula? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. So here m1 is already we know, that is 2 into, let's go into take, what is the y2? That is -3 plus m2 is 3 into y1 is 7, that will be whole divided by 2 plus 3. So here 2 3s are 6, -6 plus 21 whole divided by 5. So what value we will get it here? So 20 minus 6, let's go into take 20 minus 6, we will get 14. 14 again 1 is there, 15. So 15 by 5. So 5 1s are, then 5 3s are, that is 3. So what is the p of y? P of y will be equal to 3. Then what is the point? That is p of x comma y. Therefore what you can write it here is, therefore the point p of x comma y will be, x is equals to what? P of x, that is 1. What is the y? 3. So 1 comma 3. So this is the point which will going to divide the line joining of two more points is P of x comma y, that is 1 comma 3. That is our answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.